Camping is all about escaping the ordinary. But what if the right gear could actually make your outdoor experience smarter, easier, and way more fun? Today, we're diving into 7 genius camping tools you probably didn't even know existed. But once you see them, you'll wonder how you ever camp without them. Let's jump in. Number 7, portable campfire in a can. Starting off our list is something that feels almost too simple to be this brilliant: a portable campfire in a can. Imagine arriving at your campsite after a long hike, tired, hungry, and not in the mood to gather wood, struggle with damp sticks, or deal with
And you've got a football-sized ball of fire. Don't
This
worry, it's completely normal.
compact
Once the
tool
fire goes
solves
down
all that.
almost to nothing, you'll
It's a
then need to add a little bit more fuel by
clean-burning fire
half turning,
contained
and then you'll get a
inside
blue
small
flame.
metal tin, usually fueled by eco-friendly materials like soy
And there you go,
wax
you're ready
or
to cook.
recycled wood fibers. You just open it, light it, and you've got a steady, controlled flame ready for cooking, warmth, or ambience. What makes it truly genius is its portability and safety. There's no smoke cloud ruining your experience, no sparks flying into dry grass, and no need for a fire pit. It's perfect for places where traditional fires are restricted, making it ideal for modern campers who want convenience without sacrificing the authentic campfire feel. Plus, many versions are reusable. Just close the lid to extinguish and relight later. Whether you're making s'mores, boiling water, or just enjoying a peaceful evening under the stars, this tool brings the comfort of a campfire into a compact, hassle-free form that fits right into your backpack. Number 6, solar-powered lantern charger. Next up is a tool that solves one of the biggest problems in camping: running out of power. The solar-powered lantern charger is not just a light source. It's a multi-functional survival essential. During the day, it absorbs sunlight through built-in solar panels, storing energy in its internal battery. At night, it transforms into a bright, reliable lantern that can illuminate your entire campsite. But here's where it gets genius. It also doubles as a power bank. That means you can charge your phone, GPS device, or any USB-powered gadget, even when you're miles away from civilization. Many of these lanterns are collapsible, lightweight, and waterproof, making them perfect for unpredictable outdoor conditions. Some even include different lighting modes, like emergency SOS signals or dim ambient settings for conserving battery. For campers who rely on tech for navigation, safety, or content creation, this tool eliminates the stress of dead batteries. It's especially useful on extended trips where access to electricity is non-existent. Instead of carrying multiple devices, this all-in-one solution simplifies your gear while increasing your self-sufficiency. In a world where staying connected can sometimes be critical, this tool ensures you're never left in the dark, literally or digitally. Number 5, inflatable sleeping pad with built-in pump. Comfort while camping is often underestimated until you spend a night tossing and turning on uneven ground. That's where the inflatable sleeping pad with a built-in pump becomes a total game changer. Unlike traditional sleeping mats that require manual blowing or separate pumps, this design integrates a foot or hand pump directly into the pad. Within minutes, sometimes even seconds, you can inflate a supportive, cushioned surface without exhausting yourself. What makes this tool genius is the balance between comfort and portability. It packs down incredibly small, yet when inflated, it provides excellent insulation from the cold ground and supports your body evenly. Many models feature ergonomic designs that align with your spine, helping you wake up refreshed instead of sore. The built-in pump also keeps things hygienic since you're not using your breath, which can introduce moisture and reduce insulation efficiency. Some versions even connect with others, allowing you to create a larger sleeping area if needed. For backpackers, this means no more sacrificing comfort for weight, and for casual campers, it elevates the entire sleeping experience. A good night's sleep outdoors can make or break your trip, and this tool ensures you're energized and ready for whatever adventure comes next.
Number 4. Compact water filtration straw. Clean drinking water is essential in the wild, but carrying large amounts isn't always practical. That's where the compact water filtration straw shines as one of the smartest tools you can carry. At first glance, it looks like a simple tube, but inside, It houses advanced filtration technology capable of removing bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics from natural water sources. You can drink directly from a river, lake, or stream by simply placing one end in the water and sipping through the other. It's lightweight, requires no batteries, and can filter thousands of liters before needing replacement. What makes it truly genius is its simplicity and reliability. There's no setup, no waiting time, and no complicated instructions. Just immediate access to safe drinking water. This is especially crucial in emergency situations or long hikes where water sources are uncertain. Many versions are also compatible with water bottles, allowing you to filter and store clean water for later use. For survivalists and casual campers alike, this tool provides peace of mind. Instead of worrying about running out of water or carrying heavy supplies, you can rely on nature itself, safely and efficiently. It's one of those small items that delivers massive value when you need it most. Number 3. Folding camping stove with multi-fuel capability. Cooking outdoors has come a long way, and the folding camping stove with multi-fuel capability is proof of that evolution. This isn't your average portable stove. It's designed to adapt to whatever fuel source you have available. Whether it's gas canisters, alcohol, wood, or even solid fuel tablets, this stove can handle it all. That flexibility makes it incredibly useful in unpredictable conditions where one fuel type might not be accessible. Its folding design allows it to collapse into a compact size, easily fitting into your backpack without taking up much space. Despite its small form, it delivers powerful heat output, capable of boiling water or cooking full meals efficiently. What makes this tool genius is its independence from a single fuel source. You're not limited by what you packed. You can use what's around you. This is especially valuable in survival scenarios or extended trips. Many models also feature wind-resistant designs, ensuring consistent performance even in harsh weather. For campers who love cooking or need reliable meal preparation, this stove offers both convenience and adaptability. It turns any campsite into a functional kitchen, giving you the freedom to prepare warm, satisfying meals no matter where you are. Number 2. Smart Mosquito Repellent Device. Nothing ruins a camping trip faster than relentless mosquitoes, and traditional repellents don't always do the job. Enter the Smart Mosquito Repellent Device, a modern solution to an age-old problem. Instead of sprays or lotions, this device uses heat or ultrasonic technology to create a protective zone around you, keeping insects at bay without the need for constant reapplication. It's compact, rechargeable, and often designed to clip onto your gear or sit on a table. What makes it genius is its hands-free operation and consistent protection. Once activated, it works continuously, allowing you to relax, eat, or sleep without worrying about bites. Many versions are odorless and chemical-free, making them safer for sensitive skin and more comfortable to use in enclosed spaces like tents. Some even come with smart features like adjustable intensity levels or timers to conserve battery life. For campers who spend long hours outdoors, especially near water sources where mosquitoes thrive, this tool can significantly improve comfort and health. It eliminates the constant annoyance of swatting bugs and lets you fully enjoy your surroundings. It's a small device with a big impact, transforming your camping experience into something far more peaceful. Number 1. All-in-one Survival Shovel Tool. Taking the top spot is the All-in-one Survival Shovel Tool, a piece of gear that combines multiple functions into one incredibly versatile device. At its core, it's a durable shovel designed for digging. But it doesn't stop there. Depending on the model, it can include a saw edge, axe head, fire starter, compass, bottle opener, and even a glass breaker. This makes it one of the most multifunctional tools you can carry into the wild. What makes it truly genius is its adaptability in various situations. Need to dig a fire pit? Done. Cut small branches for firewood? Easy. Open a bottle after a long day? Covered. It's built from strong materials like carbon steel, ensuring durability even in tough conditions. Despite its rugged capabilities, it's designed to be portable, often featuring a foldable or detachable structure for easy packing. For survival enthusiasts, this tool is invaluable because it reduces the need to carry multiple items, saving both space and weight. It's the kind of gear that prepares you for the unexpected, giving you confidence in any environment. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, this all-in-one tool proves that sometimes the smartest gear is the one that does it all.